How to sell items in TEMU easily. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Korea. Login and delete. Let's get started. Open up any of your web browser and at the search bar type in TEMU. Go on to the first link. Then at this page, get logged into your TEMU account. If you scroll all the way below, you will see an option that says Sell on TEMU under Help section. Click on to Sell on TEMU and make sure you read all these instructions carefully. And here they mention that seller shall not post or sell any items that is restricted or prohibited by any applicable federal states, and make sure you read all these as well. If you would like to get more information about your prohibition and all the restrictions on TEMU app, then you can click on this here icon and get more further details. Now at the end, you will see join TEMU today and start selling on TEMU. For sellers, they have given this email address, and for logistic providers, this is the email address. Since you want to sell items in TEMU, you may go to this email address and draft an official email that includes your business and what do you want to sell and how do you plan to sell that. If you like more help regarding your sellings, then you can go to contact us under company info. And once you have emailed them, all you have to do is wait for their email and then you're good to go. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you would like to see more on TEMU and how it can help grow your business, then do comment down below and we will get back to you in our next upload.